If I took your phone away right now for 24 hours and made you sit alone in an empty room, no music, no internet, no one to talk to, be honest, how long before you'd start feeling uncomfortable? 5 minutes, 2 minutes, or just 30 seconds? That's not boredom, that's restlessness, and it's so deep that you can't even stay alone with yourself for a single moment. That's why you scroll. That's why there's always something playing in the background. That's why you feel the need to stay busy, even when there's nothing important to do. Because the moment silence hits, something inside you starts moving. A slight pressure, a weird uneasiness, like something's missing, and you instantly try to shut that feeling down. But today, for the first time, don't shut it down. Feel it. Restlessness doesn't mean your life is going in the wrong direction. It means you've been running away from yourself. Notice this carefully. Whenever you're alone, your mind immediately jumps to the future or the past. Planning, regret, daydreaming, overthinking. Why is it so hard to just stay in the present? Because in the present, there's no distraction. There's just you, and nobody ever taught you how to sit with yourself. Since childhood, you were programmed. Do something, become something, achieve something, but nobody told you how to simply be. So when there's nothing to do, your identity starts shaking. If I'm not being productive, who am I? If I'm not busy, what's my worth? That question creates restlessness. You think you need excitement, but what you actually need is clarity. You think you need motivation, but what you actually need is stillness. Restlessness is energy, raw energy, but when you don't understand it, it turns into anxiety. When you ignore it, it turns into addiction. When you fight it, it gets stronger. So the solution is simple, but not easy. Next time that familiar itch shows up, the urge to check your phone, to text someone, to open something random just to escape. Pause, just 1 minute, 60 seconds, don't do anything. Close your eyes and observe the uneasiness. Where do you feel it? In your chest, your stomach, your throat? What is your mind saying? This is a waste of time. Do something productive. This feels uncomfortable. Just listen, don't react. You'll notice something crazy. The wave will rise, hit its peak, and then slowly fade away on its own. And in that moment, you'll feel a strange kind of clarity. You are not the restlessness. You're the one watching it. On the surface, there are waves, but deep down, there's an ocean. And you've been identifying with the waves your whole life. I'm anxious. I'm impatient. I'm bored. No, you just haven't learned how to observe. The day you truly learn to watch without reacting, restlessness stops being your enemy. It becomes your teacher. Every time it shows up, it's a signal. You've drifted away from yourself again. And every time you sit with it instead of escaping, you return to your center. Freedom doesn't mean you'll never feel restless again. Freedom means restlessness can show up, and you don't get shaken. Tonight, try this. Before you sleep, put your phone away. No scrolling, no music, no distractions. Just sit for 5 minutes. Yeah, it'll feel awkward. Your mind will resist. Your body will want to move. But if you stay, slowly a gap appears. A tiny gap between thoughts. And in that gap, you'll find what you've been chasing outside. Peace, not the kind that comes from achievement. Not the kind that comes from dopamine hits. The kind that comes when you stop rushing to be somewhere else. Being restless isn't wrong, but constantly running from it. That's what exhausts you. So stop running. Just for 5 minutes. Watch what happens. The uneasiness starts dissolving. And then you realize, the problem was never silence. The problem was your fear of it. You might feel restless on the surface, but at your center, you're already whole. And when this stops being just an idea and becomes your experience, you won't feel the need to escape yourself ever again.